Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you free up space on iPhone. So at first just go to your settings. Now just scroll here and go to general. Now just click on iPhone storage. Now just scroll here and find an app that you recently don't used. Just like this one. If you don't want to use this app, you can just delete this app by clicking delete app. Or if you want to use this app for later, you can just click on offload app. By doing this for a couple times, you can just free up few storage on iPhone. You can also just delete some photos from your gallery. By deleting some photos and videos, you can just free up a few storage on your iPhone. So guys, that's how you can free up space on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.